Donna from Willowbrook has a question about a bathroom remodel.
Well, she took out a garden tub. She put in a big standing shower.
Great.
Right? But she got a little challenge here. Donna writes, there's an L-shaped pony wall that's about 40 inches tall, and she sent us this expert rendering of it for you to look at.
Well, that's an L-shaped pony wall.
It is. Okay, but here's the challenge. It's going to be covered with hardybacker on the inside and then tiled. And right now, the wall up there, it just has sheetrock on the one side of it, right on the outer wall. But so her question is, Tom, how much movement on that wall is acceptable? Right now, the contractor says once he puts the hardy and the tile on there, it's going to get more rigid. But right now, she says it's got a little bit of play to it.
Yeah, and it can't have any movement when it's all said and done, when the shower is complete. But you've got a lot of things that are going to stiffen this, and that's actually a pretty good little drawing for me to go by. You have a bench there. That bench is going to pull it together, and it's going to solidify it. You've also got the hardy and the tile that's going on there, too. And across the top, you're going to have the glass, which will be attached to it, and then go down towards the door. So all those things coming together should, if your contractor knows what he's doing, should tighten it all up to where there's no movement. But can you have movement after it's all done? No, especially with glass on top.
I'm thinking.
It's not a good idea. So zero movement, but we've only started the project. Let the gentleman finish. I'm sure he's not going to leave you with a wall that's going to come crashing down.
Right. So it's normal, like you've built.
Well, right now she's got some 2x4s, and you can,
right.
you can do that.
Yeah, it was the same thing around here. It's like, it's like this is why Michelangelo said never show unfinished work.
Oh, that's true.
Because you don't know what it's going to be when it's done. So,
that's right.
So just be patient, and you think the bench and all the other stuff is going to stiffen it up.
If I was building it and I was going to put a bench in, and that thing would be as stiff as could be. But he can't leave any movement. I just can't believe he would do it.
But I mean, is it normal if you were building it that at this stage, if it's just framed up?
Yeah, because right now she's just got 2x4s.
Yeah.
And it was already there. I don't know if he built that or not, but right now it's just 2x4s kind of sitting out there. It's not all put together. And you can take a wall on a house and shake it back and forth. And once the house is finished, I'll challenge you to try to do that. So.
No. It's okay. Don't
do that. But they're just 2x4s right now.
But do send us your questions to HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them here. Check out these other videos over here that we've done. Of course, please subscribe to our channel. We'd appreciate it.